Hey friends, it's Jan here, wishing you a happy winter solstice. You might be aware that it's happening this week on December 21st, and it's the longest night of the year, the least amount of daylight. But there are some special traditions I wanted to tell you about for this time of year that might affect your meditation or spiritual practice. You know, all of the ancient cultures have noted the patterns that are evident in nature with the sun becoming less in winter and more in summer. So these times of the year, the solstice, when the heavenly bodies align, create a different feeling for our being that the ancient peoples took note of, and we could benefit from as well. You know, Stonehenge, the temples of the Aztecs were actually created to align with the sun's rays at these special times of year. So definitely worth paying attention to. You might be aware that your meditation is deeper at this time. And traditionally, all the wisdom of the universal field, all that's been taught by the ancient masters and spiritual teachers, is available for download by us at this time. So I would definitely urge you to be open to this greater availability of your wisdom and traditions that you can absorb during your meditation practice. Also be aware that your sleep pattern might be more restless. Traditionally, the spiritual teachers have always arisen in the middle of the night to have their meditative practice. Babies wake up, need their mom in the middle of the night. Um, a lot of the very great thinkers and inventors, such as Edison and Einstein, they didn't sleep long hours at night and would often get up in the middle of the night. So if this happens to you, give it a positive spin. We tend to be super driven and productive in our Western culture, but if you're able to relax into it and go with that, and if you find you're restless, try a meditation period in the middle of the early wee hours in the morning. See how it feels. And you may find that it's one of your deepest and best meditation sessions. I'd love to hear about it. Please leave a comment and let me know your experiences. And take care. I'll see you next time.